Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury Channel. Power, presence, and pedigree. The 1970 Oldsmobile 442 is one of the finest examples of American muscle. More than just a number, the 442 symbolized raw performance wrapped in understated style. Today, we're diving deep into this classic icon, from its bold exterior, luxurious interior, and monstrous performance, to why it still captures hearts over 50 years later. Exterior. Let's start with that unmistakable look. The 1970 model year brought a refresh to the 442, and Oldsmobile didn't hold back. Up front, we've got a wide, aggressive grille flanked by quad headlights, a signature muscle car move. That twin-scooped fiberglass hood isn't just for show, it's functional, feeding cold air directly to the carburetor. You'll notice the 442 badging on the grille and rear, subtle but powerful. And out back, dual trumpet exhaust tips and a clean bumper design keep it classy. The available W30 package added red inner fenders, fiberglass hood, and striking stripes, making it even more menacing on the street. This car rides on classic super stock 2 wheels, wrapped in period-correct white oval tires. It's pure 70s muscle, big, bold, and unapologetically American. Interior. Step inside, and the 442 shows its other side, luxury. Oldsmobile positioned this car as a premium muscle machine, and it shows. The seats are broad, cushy, and wrapped in vinyl or optional leather, with plenty of room front and back. Bucket seats and a center console were available for a sportier feel. The dashboard is driver-focused, with large, round gauges and old signature woodgrain trim. You've got a functional tachometer, speedo, and auxiliary gauges, no guesswork here. Unlike some of its rawer competitors, the 442 offered options like air conditioning, an AM/FM stereo, and even power windows, not bad for a car that could smoke tires at will. Performance. But now, let's get to the heart of the beast, performance. Under the hood of the 1970 442 sits the legendary 455 cubic inch rocket V8. Standard output: 365 horsepower and a pavement-twisting 500 pound-feet of torque. And if you opted for the W30 package, you got an upgraded camshaft, aluminum intake, and forced air induction, pushing it well beyond that. 0 to 60. Right around 6 seconds. Quarter-mile times in the low 14s, sometimes quicker. Not bad for a car that weighs nearly 4,000 pounds. Transmission choices included a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed turbo hydraulic automatic. And with a 3.42 rear axle and Raleigh suspension, the 442 could carve corners better than most muscle cars of the day. The sound. Deep. Throaty. Pure intimidation. It's not just fast, it's commanding. The 1970 Oldsmobile 442 stands as a high watermark for the golden era of muscle cars. It combined brute strength with a level of refinement most of its rivals couldn't match. It was the gentleman's muscle car, fast, luxurious, and built to last. Today, it's a sought-after classic, not just for its performance, but for what it represents, a time when American cars ruled the streets, and every stoplight was a starting line. Whether you're a collector, a fan of GM muscle, or just love good old-fashioned V8 power, the 442 is a car that deserves respect. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1970 Oldsmobile 442, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite muscle car of all?